Ba 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 ba. Ba ba.
That was good.
Ba ba ba.
Does Aunt Ann have you? Does she?
She's happy if she's standing.
Isn't that amazing? And she'll stand like that. She'll just stand. And then eventually her legs will give out and she'll collapse. But Jordan.
Where's your pretty hair? Where's your hair, Jordan?
Jordan, where's your hair? Where's your hair?
Oh, it's so beautiful too.
Jordan, where's your ears? I'm trying to work on ears now. Ears? Where's your ears? Ears? No, not having that.
Ears. What ears?
So the